Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is an online class. It's on hip padding, hip stroke butt padding. In this online class you learn how to draft a short. Just as you can see in this video, you are going to also learn how to take accurate measurements for your butt stroke hip padding, and then you are going to be introduced to the best material to work with, and you are going to learn how to sew a short with lining with your seam fully enclosed on the inside, just as you can also see in this video. So it's butt stroke hip padding class, so everything put together is what you are going to learn. This class is a well detailed one that you are going to learn a lot. So the venue is going to be on Telegram, and then it's going to be starting on the 13th of this month. That is on the 13th of December. All right, and then the price is going for just 4,000 naira. So I can't wait to have you guys in class. You can see this was before, and then after I was done wearing my butt stroke hip padding class. So you can see how natural it actually look on me. This is exactly what you are going to get. So for details and enquiries, check the comment section or the description box. I can't wait to have you guys in class. This class is a must attend. I'll see you guys in class. Bye.